WK Stock Analysis and August 2025 Price Forecast. Overview. Workiva Inc. WK on the NYSE rose from $67.53 on May 6, 2025 to $84.30 on August 1, 2025, gaining 24.84%. The stock exhibited a robust uptrend fueled by high trading volume and bullish technical signals. However, overbought indicators like RSI and MFI, coupled with high volatility, signaled potential short-term corrections. This analysis covers price movements, technical indicators, and a price forecast for August 2025. Price action. May 2025. Initial rally and volatility. WK opened at $65.41 on May 6th, closing at $67.53, volume 842K. It peaked at $69.86 on May 8th, closing at $68.75, 865K shares, but dipped to $67.16 on May 23rd, 444K shares. A rally on May 13th hit $72.46, closing at $72.02, 574K shares. May ended at $67.19, 361K shares, down 0.50%, with average volume at 518K and a peak of 1.08 M on May 12th. June 2025. Consolidation and steady gains. June started at $68.38, 711K shares, peaking at $70.66 on June 9th, closing at $69.55, 499K shares. A dip to $65.73 on June 13th, 414K shares, was followed by a recovery to $68.45 on June 30th, 726K shares. June closed up 1.92%, with average volume at 513K and a high of 728K on June 20th, reflecting steady buying interest. July 2025. Strong uptrend. July began at $68.28, 600K shares, with a high of $71.83 on July 9th, closing at $71.71, 468K shares. A dip to $65.67 on July 16th, 555K shares, preceded a rally to $68.47 on July 28th, 409K shares. July closed at $63.83, 723K shares, down 6.75% from June, with average volume at 523K and a peak of 1.2 M on July 15th. August 1st, 2025. Explosive surge. WK surged to $84.30, up 32.07%, with a high of $84.94, low of $73.09, and volume of 3.79 M, well above the 3-month average of 586K, indicating strong buying pressure. Technical indicators. Moving averages. Close $84.30 is above 5-day SMA, $70.08, 10-day SMA, $68.63, 20-day SMA, $68.37, 50-day SMA, $67.89, and 200-day SMA, $67.80. 5-day EMA, $72.15, and 20-day EMA, $68.73, confirm bullish momentum. RSI 14, 74.81, in overbought territory, signaling correction risk. MFI 14, 76.60, indicating strong money flow but nearing overbought. Williams percent R 14, minus 3.03, overbought, suggesting caution. Stochastic oscillator. Percent K 15 is 37.48, percent D 15 is 31.20, percent K 5 37.77, percent D 5 33.70, showing moderating momentum. MACD 0.97, above signal 0.00, histogram 0.97, strongly bullish. Arun oscillator 14, 7.14. Arun up 100, Arun down 96. Neutral but leaning bullish. ATR 14, 3.30, indicating daily volatility of around $3.30. Beta 14, 0.53, less volatile than the market. Bollinger Bands. Upper band, $76.46, middle, $68.37, lower, $60.28. Price above upper band suggests stretched trend. Volume, 3-month average 586K. August 1st volume 3.79 M and OBV 6.80 M confirm accumulation. What does it mean? WK's 24.84% gain from $67.53 to $84.30 reflects a strong bullish trend, driven by a volume spike 3.79 M on August 1st and bullish MACD 0.97 and Arun signals. However, RSI 74.81, MFI 76.60, and Williams percent R minus 3.03 indicate overbought conditions, raising correction risks. Support lies at $68.37, 20-day SMA, and $66.50, July 24th close, with resistance at $84.94, August 1st high, and $90. High ATR 3.30 signals volatility, while low beta 0.53 suggests reduced market risk. August 2025 forecast. Bullish scenario. If momentum persists, WK could test $84.94 to $90, 6.69% to 6.76% upside. Volume greater than 1 M and RSI less than 80 support this outlook. Bearish scenario. Overbought signals, RSI, MFI, could trigger a pullback to $68.37, 20-day SMA, or $66.50, 13.12% to 21.12% downside. Volume less than 500K or MACD crossing below signal line increases this risk. Likely range $68 to $90 by end August. Average target $79, 6.29% downside. Key levels: support $68.37, $66.50. Resistance $84.94, $90. What to do? Short-term traders hold above $84.30, target $90, stop loss below $68.37. Monitor RSI greater than 80 or volume less than 500K for reversals. Swing traders buy dips to $68.37 to $66.50 with volume greater than 586K, target $84.94 to $90. Stop loss below $66.50 using ATR, $3.30. Long-term investors accumulate on pullbacks to $68 to $66.50, target $90 to $100 over months. Track sector news or earnings. Risk management. Use ATR $3.30 for stop-loss settings. Low beta 0.53 suggests stability, but overbought signals warrant caution. Final word. WK's 24.84% rise from $67.53 to $84.30, backed by a 3.79M volume spike and bullish MACD and Arun signals, highlights strong momentum. However, RSI 74.81 and MFI 76.60 suggests a potential pullback. Support at $68.37, $66.50, resistance at $84.94, $90. August's range is likely $68 to $90, with an average target $79. Can WK